In our journey through life, we often find ourselves engaged in conversations on various subjects, sharing our thoughts, hopes, and experiences. However, there are 10 subjects that I believe we should approach with a Stoic mindset, showing restraint and wisdom in our discussions. By doing so, we can cultivate inner strength, resilience, and personal growth. Discussing one's accomplishments can easily lead to arrogance, pride, and a desire for constant external validation. Bragging about your achievements can lead to a focus on ego and external recognition rather than on the intrinsic value of your actions. Rather than flaunting our achievements, Stoicism reminds us to let our actions and character speak for themselves. The Stoics advocate for humility and modesty in the face of success. So, let us remain humble, for a Stoic heart finds contentment within itself, not in the applause of the world. Life presents us with countless challenges, like the intricate maze of existence. Complaining about challenges and obstacles often amplifies their negative impact. Stoics encourage us to approach difficulties with a rational and calm mindset. Complaining or dwelling on obstacles can hinder personal growth and resilience, as it shifts the focus from finding solutions to wallowing in self-pity. Stoicism suggests that we should embrace challenges and face them with resilience and courage. Stoics remind us that virtue is its own reward. Kindness should flow from our hearts without seeking praise. Think about the beauty of silent charity, where our actions are pure and our intentions remain untouched by vanity. Embrace the joy of giving and let it be your secret source of strength. Discussing your good deeds can create an expectation of recognition or reward, which goes against the Stoic ideal of performing virtuous actions for their intrinsic value. Sharing your acts of kindness for self-glorification may undermine the purity of your intentions. Our deepest aspirations are like precious gems hidden in the depths of our hearts. Publicly discussing your innermost desires can leave you vulnerable to external judgments and can lead to dissatisfaction when these desires are not met. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our desires with rationality and moderation, finding contentment in the pursuit of virtue rather than chasing unbridled desires. Stoicism suggests that we should prepare for the future calmly, without excessive fuss. Excessive discussion of future plans can lead to anxiety and disappointment if those plans don't materialize as expected. Stoics advocate for focusing on the present moment and the actions you can take today to move closer to your goals, while accepting that the future is uncertain. Why should we refrain from sharing our insecurities with the world? Because sharing your insecurities often reinforces them. Stoicism encourages introspection and self-improvement. Discussing them with others might not lead to the constructive feedback you need. Instead, embrace the Stoic journey of self-reflection and growth in the quiet sanctuary of your thoughts. Passing judgment on others or engaging in gossip can create negativity in your life and harm your relationships. Stoics emphasize empathy and understanding, recognizing that everyone has flaws. By avoiding judgments and criticism, you foster a more positive and harmonious environment. Stoics believe that taking time to be alone allows for profound introspection and self-improvement. Distractions or constant busyness can prevent you from taking advantage of solitary moments. These solitary moments are when we recharge our spirits, away from the distractions of the world. Let solitude be your silent companion on the path to wisdom. Why should we keep our unfinished work and lessons to ourselves? Because sharing your unrefined lessons can expose them to unnecessary criticism or scrutiny. Stoics recommend that you keep your lessons close until they are fully learned and refined. Think of these lessons as delicate buds that require nurturing in the shelter of your heart. Discussing future aspirations extensively can lead to anxiety and impatience. Stoics recommend focusing on the present and maintaining resilience and adaptability in the face of uncertain outcomes, recognizing that the journey is often more important than the destination. As we conclude this exploration of Stoic wisdom, remember that silence is not mere absence, but the presence of profound inner contemplation. These 10 subjects offer valuable insights into the Stoic way of life. By avoiding their discussion, we can cultivate peace, resilience, and a deeper understanding of ourselves. Embrace the Stoic philosophy and carry it with you as you continue your journey towards tranquility and enlightenment.